Hello friends, how are you? I really hope that you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. It's Fancy here. I am a biomedical scientist currently performing a PhD on cancer research, and I also help people to live the healthy life that they want. So I focus on having an anti-cancer lifestyle, womb health, the keto diet, and self-love. And in this channel you will see me talking about these topics, giving you my biomedical scientific background, and also showing a little bit of my life and my journey towards creating my healthy dream life. So before starting with today's video, I really want to give a big welcome and a big hug to my YouTube editor, Mary. She's the first member of my team, and I'm so excited to be working with her. If you guys like books and book suggestions and also cozy happy vlogs, follow her because she also has her YouTube channel and her videos are just so wonderful to watch. She gives me such a happy and good vibe, and I think that's the reason why I just wanted her to be my YouTube editor. Give her a big welcome so that she feels comfortable in this community that we're building. Welcome, Mary. I'm so excited. Now, today's video is going to be a fall Halloween decoration, although not a scary Halloween decoration, just a cozy fall vibes that I want to have. You know, I mean, you know me. If you have been following me for a while, you know, Halloween is my favorite time of the year. I get super excited about the decoration, the costumes, and the movies. Not scary, of course. But so yeah, this is just going to be fall decoration, Halloween decoration vlog, and also hi, I am back to YouTube, and I will chat with you a little bit about what has happened and why I have been missing, because I know lately the last videos have always been me telling you I'm back for good, I'm going to be consistency, I promise, and then a couple videos I'm consistent and then I disappear. So the reason for this is just because my PhD life, it's very crazy busy. I have a lot of work to do, and of course, even though I'm in the second year, I still feel like I'm in the first year. It's still a challenge for me to organize myself and kind of like make time for everything that I want to do. And of course, starting my PhD, it's my priority. So I didn't have enough time for my YouTube channel, for my magazine, for my podcast. So the most important thing is to have time for yourself, right? You need to take care of yourself, because I always say this: you're the one fighting, you're the one getting up every day to fight and get the life that you want. So if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to achieve that in the proper way, right? You need to avoid burnout and stress and anxiety. That's just so bad feeling and just horrible for your body. I just had to make priorities and decide what to let go and what to continue. And talking with some friends, talking to my partner, in order for me to be able to continue my YouTube channel, because I really do not want to stop my YouTube channel. I love making videos so much. I just had to get some help. So this is when Mary enters, and she's the one that's going to edit my videos, and I will be the one creating them. So let's see if by doing this I have more time and I can organize myself better. Okay, so let's get with the video. I just did 18 hours of fasting. I have a very big stomachache. Like, I can feel my it's not a stomachache, you know, when your stomach is hurting because it's hungry. So because I haven't done fasting for a very long time, I just don't want to go very hard on the first time that I'm fasting. So 18 hours, I think that is perfect to go back to the routine of intermittent fasting. And also, I don't want to like just have a normal lunch. I don't want to give my stomach a bomb of food that it has to suddenly digest after 18 hours of fasting. So I am going to make myself a smoothie for lunch, yes. And I'm just gonna show you what I'm going to put into this smoothie. So before starting, I just wanted to set the ambience, set up a candle there. I've got my smoothie, as you can see, I've already been drinking it. And of course, if you're a big fan of fall and Halloween, Gilmore Girls is a must in this season, so I just started it today. That's the first episode. I have another candle there, as you just saw me, and here's another one by the window. So here in this table, I just put a general overview of the Halloween decoration. Yeah, I don't know, I have no idea what I'm going to do, where I'm going to put them, so I'm just going to think about it along the way and show you guys as it happens. So for those of you who have been following for a while now, you can see this is a different background than what I normally have on my videos. This is because I'm at my boyfriend's apartment, so this is what I'm going to be decorating this year. So I spoke with him, he's excited, he said yes, it's okay that you can decorate this because I'm spending a lot of time with him here in his apartment, and I just didn't feel okay if I decorated my apartment and I was not going to be there a lot. So I just, yeah, I don't know, I just love October and Halloween, and I really wanted to have the decoration around me and feel, you know, this cozy and this fall vibe. So yeah, this is what I'm decorating this year anyway. Okay, so I'm done with the decoration. I know it's not a lot. Normally when I decorate, I put a lot more decoration. I love when it's packed. When it's like, you know, Halloween or Christmas, I love to see packed. I think I get that from my mom. And but yeah, the thing is, I didn't want to buy anything new. I might buy like small pumpkins to put here and there, and of course I will do the pumpkin carving for sure. That's like my tradition. But I didn't want to buy a lot of new decoration for Halloween because my boyfriend and I were moving in together, so I just don't want to buy new things, accumulate them, and like have more stuff to move into the new apartment. With this, I think it's fine, and I will get new decoration next year in the new apartment, and I will, however, get some new ones from Christmas because we will have Christmas in that apartment. I'm actually quite excited that we'll move in the apartment when, you know, Christmas vacation is starting, the Christmas vibes, winter vibes. I'm really excited. So anyway, I have finished with this, so I'm going to have a shower and put on some cozy clothes. I'm gonna show you how I prepare my matcha latte, and I'm just gonna have a small talk with you. And also I want to wait until it's dark time so that I can show you the lights and how everything looks at night, because it's really cool. Okay, so this is just a small message to you, heart to heart. I just think that I just feel like saying it, and maybe it can help you. But the reason why I haven't been able to come back to YouTube before, apart from because I was organizing myself and prioritizing, and I didn't have enough time, it was because in June I had a hard situation, okay, in my PhD, and you know, sometimes you have to take a step back, right, and stop some things to focus on yourself and get better and heal and reconnect with yourself, and get that motivation. So because I was working on my PhD, I have the magazine, I have the podcast, and I have my YouTube channel, I just needed to stop several things so that I could create the time, like more time than before, for myself, to heal, for the meditation that I wanted to do, like healing. So I stuck only to the PhD and my magazine, and the podcast and YouTube, I'm coming back to it now. So I guess my message to you is that if you're feeling like this, if you're feeling down, if you have gone through a really tough situation, you really need to slow down. You need to take time for yourself. You need to, and it's not about like bubble baths and self-care and skincare. No, it's like your inner self. You need to heal what hurt you of that hard situation that you went through, because if not, you're just going to leave it behind, but you're not going to learn nor heal from it, and you're going to carry it with you. And what it can happen, like for example me, that I took so long into stopping right after that happened, is that I put a lot of pressure on myself, and as soon as I think I am not working as I should, I panic, and I work double when maybe I shouldn't. And an example of this, because this of course this is a journey, right? This is not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time and effort, and you have to be very patient. But for example, last week I was so tired, but I didn't realize until I saw the signs of how tired I was. I was doing experiments, and I had mistakes in the experiments. You know, in the protocol in the laboratory, you have several steps. So some of those steps I couldn't stop making mistakes. So I would cry because I had to repeat it again. And then also I was very clumsy. So if I had things in my hands and then I dropped them, I would cry because I dropped them. Or then there was like a glass crystal door as transparent, so I bumped into it twice, so I would start crying because I bumped into a door. You know, those are the clear signs Finoula is tired. Until those signs, I was not aware of how tired I was. Of course, from June till now, I have been working hard. I mean, putting a lot of effort in healing and being okay with myself and connecting and reconnecting and everything. I've been able to be in my hometown. I have been able to be by the beach, which for me is like a natural healer. I have had the opportunity of being with my family, you know, so like I have had the opportunity of doing things for me to get better. And of course, I'm still working on not applying that much pressure into my work. So yeah, I guess that what I want to say with this to you is just like, take time for yourself, slow down, and if you have to stop several things, several tasks that you want to do, just stop it. I know that sometimes if you have a job, it's not that easy, like you cannot stop working on your job. At least take some days off if you haven't had the opportunity of going on vacation. Try and make some time either in the morning or after work for yourself. Like instead of watching a TV show or, I don't know, going to bed directly, take some time to do thinking and meditating and healing. It's really, really important so that you are yourself again and that you're happy and that you're motivated. I think it's important to know that it's okay not to be okay, but it's also important, you know, you cannot be not okay forever, because you need to live your life and you need to be okay to live your life the way you want it. So of course, if you're not okay, feel it, accept it, it's okay, but there has to be a moment where you have to take action to be better. That's my message. So you come first, always, always. Okay guys, so this is how it looks at night. Look how cozy and warm vibes this gives. Isn't it beautiful? I just love lights. I love lights and I love everything about this fall Halloween decoration. Okay friends, so this is the video for today. I really hope that you like it. I really hope that you found value in my coming back video. Please feel free to let me know what type of content you would like to see, like if you have any questions or anything in particular that you would like me to do, just let me know. I am wishing you the best for this week and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.